Good talaga. You should try that too.
Yeah.
It's so good talaga. Like, legit. Like, you wanna go to Arj? How about you? What did you do?
Pumunta ako sa, like, here. Like, here in this hotel with you guys, right? And, like...
But when I got here, you're not here na din.
I'm there.
Where did you go?
The dimension?
Yeah, no, the girl said kasi you bought toyo daw in the kanto. Pag nag 150k matutulog kami. Tapos dapat pagising namin, ano na, 1M.
Decision.
Sarap kaya mo. Di seryoso, inaantok na ako.
Ako din eh, gusto ko.
Kaya
Wala
mo yan,
talaga,
go.
wala makakapilit sa akin magawa niyan.
Hello po! Kayo po ba ang blue? Nice to meet you po!
Ayoko na.
Mika, baka umiiyak ka na, Mix. Legit.
Umiiyak na ako. Nakakatawa.
Nakakatawa. Diba? Nabangga ba?
Nabang-gabo.
No, send kayo ng stickers.
Oo nga, grabe yung effort ni Ate Maloy. 40 minutes to go.
Hindi ka tawa ka ako.
Tuwa kasi ako.
Tawa ng tawa si Mika! Bakit ka tumatawa?
Hindi ikaw. Gusto ka na magmura. Mahika.
Oo.
Uwu! Uwu! Uwu!
Ooh, girl.
Ang cute! Ang cute!
Thank you po!
Bebente na ako Mas matanda ako sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan. Baka kalain nyo, bata pa ako. 20 na po ako ha.
Hindi kaya na ako dito. Hindi ko mag- Basta mo? Sobrang puti ito.
Dila ka, dila.
Ayoko nga.
Ay, salita si Mix. Mix. Ay, ano?
Nakakatakot siya na.
Miss mag, ano?
Mabaliw talaga. Hi, Rufa May Maloy. Ayan, Rufa May. Pag nag-150k, mag-Rufa May daw siya.
Grabe, thank you ha. Live ko talaga to.
Si Ate Maloy yung pinalive.
Okay na art card.
Ha?
Art.
Ay, turuan na lang kita mag-Rufa Me at 150.
Ayun, okay.
Kaya mo yan.
It's
5
6 a.m. here, or 5 a.m. here in the States, and I'm watching you three crazy girls.
Oh no, you are 3?
All I worship and adore. In other words, please be true.
In other words,
I love you.
I love you too. Ano pang kanta? Ano pang mga favorite songs mo?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Grabe, pause ko na pala. Ate Malay, mas inaantok ako.
Ano ka?
Oo, inaantok ako kapag ginawa sa buhok o sa tenga.
Ako, nanisip ko magganyan eh. Ng ibang tao.
Ako dito sa likod. Pinagaling ko. One time nga sa school, hindi ko kilala yung babae sa harap ko. New student siya. Tapos biglang ginanon-ganon ko yung buhok niya. Tapos nagulat siya. Tapos sabi ko, ay, you have a really nice hair, you know? What's your name? Gumano. I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Sakit naman. Ano yung pinakamasakit na kanta for you?
Hindi ko alam. IDKU yet. Yun yung pinakamasakit. Ay, parang, how can you miss someone you've never met? And I need you now, but I don't know you.
Feeling ko may someday to. Someday. Someday, someone's gonna love me. Someday, I wanted you to need me. Oh, someday.
If the world was ending though. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and we'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All my fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
Saka yun, ano?
Heaven knows.
Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, only heaven knows. Saka ano? I'm a creep, I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
Okay, kaya ko to. Disappoint.
Ikaw na ang may sabi. Na ako'y mahal mo at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit at hindi malayo? Puso'y aking nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba.
Ouch. Sabi niya ito.
Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking naman.
I spent $60 on your two plastic magazines and I couldn't wait to get it with June. Oh, thank you, Ate Angie. I hope that you like our magazine.
Next song. Inisipon si Mix.
Yeah. with a smile on it.
Lift your head,
Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. Get by with a smile.
Again, like yung comment na ano teacher. You can win and everything, but you can try.